football lovers that have different clubs they're interested in. You watch Arsenal, you are a Man U fan, Liverpool, Manchester United, and all that. Come on, gather, let's talk. There are ways you can earn income while you watch football. Yes, you can buy stocks on the stock markets and start earning big while you watch football. Yes, you discuss players, you discuss fans discuss about their different clubs and all that. But many people don't know that they can earn income while watching football, while discussing their different players and all that. Come and hear what I have to say about this very interesting way you can earn income and you'll be happy for yourself. Welcome to my channel. Here on this channel, I talk about stocks, I talk about finance, I talk about investment, I talk about bonds, shares, derivatives, and different ways you can earn income for yourself on the online space. And come to think of it, this is the new year. Start thinking of different ways you can make income for yourself on a passive level. That whether you work or you don't work, you keep making income. And one of the ways you can do that is by buying stocks on the stock market. And here is an opportunity that I've just come up where you, as a football player, as a football fan, you can earn income for yourself. Buy stock in the stock market. Yes. Buy stock FC. Yes. Buy football stock trading. You can buy stocks. You can sell stocks. You can trade with stocks on the stock market. And start now. Take action now, and you'll be happy for yourself. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.